What's the meaning of bulwark? Bulwark. Bulwark.
Bulwark. Bulwark. The term bulwark refers to a defensive wall or barricade that serves to protect against external threats. It can also be used metaphorically to describe something that provides protection or support in a non-physical sense, such as a person's beliefs or values. In essence, a bulwark is a safeguard against danger or harm, whether physical or abstract. By providing a barrier or shield, it helps to prevent or mitigate the impact of negative forces, offering a sense of security and stability. Overall, a bulwark can be seen as a vital tool for self-preservation and survival in the face of adversity.